Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix VAN9003 error in Valorant. Alright, let's begin. Now, this issue occurs when a secure boot or UEFI is disabled in the BIOS. To check if these are enabled, open MS Info. For that, get to the bottom search bar and then search for it inside it. Once the System Information app has opened, look for the BIOS mode and secure boot state. Now, BIOS mode should be UEFI. If it shows CSM or Legacy, you need to change it to UEFI. In case of the secure boot state, if it's off, you need to enable secure boot in the BIOS settings. Now to enable these features, you need to access the BIOS on your PC. To find out what's your BIOS key, open an internet browser and search for BIOS key list. Then, open the first website and the BIOS keys will be displayed with their brand names. After you know the BIOS key, restart your PC and press the key on the system logo. As your PC restarts, keep pressing the BIOS key on your keyboard, and it will load the BIOS setup. Here, get to the Boot Options tab from the top and make sure that the boot mode is UEFI. Once done, locate Secure Boot inside the menu and make sure it is enabled. Next, navigate to the Security tab from the top and make sure to enable the TPM state. After doing so, close the boot menu and save the changes. So that's basically how you can fix VAN9003 error in Valorant. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.